welcome to the 10th episode of hashtag 21 Days to Good Skin. I cannot believe we've reached the 10th episode. This is of the series that I had started and I feel very, very happy. Thank you to everyone who's watching this right now. Today's ingredient is going to be papaya. We're sitting at home with dull and boring skin and I think we need that instant glow. For that, we'll use papaya. I cannot stress on how healthy it is for our gut, and that is what papaya is going to do to us on our skin as well. It will give us a nice flush of vitamins, and it also has a enzyme called pepin, again great for skin. We will use papaya, besan and 1 spoon of milk. So let's begin. The face mask is now off my skin. We were talking about instant glow and look at that. So next time if you want to go out for a party or like a instant plan with your friends, you can try out this face pack. Papaya is one of my favorite fruits and it does so good to your skin as well. So try it out, guys. Do not step out right now. I mean, of course not now, but next time when you have to go to a party or anywhere, you can refer to this video for instant glow. That's it. So I'll see you tomorrow.